In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlink a Rockstar account from a Steam account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to get started, make sure that you have both accounts open. So make sure that you already have your Steam account open, either in the Steam app or on the browser. And of course, make sure that you also log into your Rockstar Games Social Club on the Rockstar website. So open up a web browser, search for Rockstar Games. Once you're on this, hit the little account option, hit sign in, and sign into your account. And after signing in, what you're going to want to do is click on your profile icon on the Rockstar Games website first, and then go ahead and hit settings on here. You may have to hit account first and then settings. So open that up. And once you are in this page right here, you're going to want to find the linked account section. Select that. And then in this option, you're going to want to find Steam on here. As you can see, it's going to be right here. Simply go ahead and hit unlink on this. You may have to select this first or hit info. And then from here, you can go ahead and unlink it. If for whatever reason you don't see Steam listed, what you can do is go to the support tab, choose Social Club, hit account linking, and then of course this will open up a support form where you can go ahead and say that you can't unlink your Steam account and that you need help. But what you could also do is open up Steam, get that Steam ID, and submit that to that same support ticket, and they'll be able to unlink it manually. Keep in mind, it does take them about 24 hours to do this, and in busy periods, it may take them a little bit longer, but requests are usually resolved fairly quickly. But that is how you can unlink your Rockstar account from Steam, whether the unlink option is available directly or through Rockstar support. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.